Hey, how's it going? Lewis here. I wanted to give you an update on my compost pile. I posted a video about a month ago on how to create living soil for your garden, and all I did was basically water down some leaves, throw a couple food scraps in here. And since then, since I made that video, I've only turned this one time. I moved it from that side to this side, and we've had a few showers, nothing crazy heavy, so not enough to penetrate the pile really. And I may have given this one sprinkle just on top. I really didn't do much to it, but I wanted to show you, I've dug down into it a little bit. I wanted to show you particulates that are forming from the leaves and all the other organic matter. And it smells really good. It smells really earthy and sweet. And I got a whole bunch of leaves from a friend of mine, my piano teacher actually. She had a whole bunch of leaves bagged up at her house, and I was like, hey, I'm taking those, I'm gonna add them to my compost. So this pile is, semi-finished, but what I'm going to do is add these new leaves to the pile. And so what I'm gonna do is throw down leaves, I'm gonna water it a bit, then I'm gonna throw some of this semi-finished compost on top, and I'm basically just gonna layer it like lasagna and get this stuff cooking again, because I need quite a bit of this stuff for the beds out here. And I just wanted to give you this update and just show you how easy it is to create living soil for your garden. And I'll do what I can to update you on the finished product if I don't keep adding more organic material to it. But I just wanted to show that to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.